Today, we'll be picking off from the previous video of showing you guys 10 online companies that will pay you every single day. This is the continuation of the first 5 online companies that I've introduced to you before, and if you're new to watching this, you can search it on our channel or you can click on the videos that will pop out at the end of this tutorial. These are some of the best online companies, and I went out there, I did some deep research, and I found the best online companies that's paying right now. So you want to pay close attention to this video and not miss one single website. And I really want to say this, there's no experience needed. Nope, you don't need to have special knowledge. You don't need to have a degree. You can work on this from your iPad, iPhone, and computer anywhere. If you can browse the internet, you're going to be able to do this. With these 5 more websites, I got something for everyone out there. Most of them are worldwide, and some of them are going to be for the US and Canada only, but like I said, most of them are worldwide. I do one of these 10 money-making website videos every year, and every time I do one, thousands and thousands of people make money from watching the videos on YouTube, and I know for a fact that this one is gonna do the same thing. So if you don't have anything else to do, sit back, relax, and pay close attention to this video. Once again, I would like to give a shout out to our friend's YouTube channel called Next Level Finance. Our friend's new YouTube channel where she discusses affiliate marketing, making money online, and work from home opportunities. We really appreciate those that teaches other people to make money and help themselves and their families, especially in these hard times. Just check out her channel and I'll make sure that you'll learn a lot and of course, make money online. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you the best and greatest platforms to be used to earn money real quick. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. And before we get into this brand new content, we release new ways to earn money online daily, and make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we drop a new method and be one of the first to have a chance to try it out. Leave a like and comment below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and we will reach more and more people. Now, before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and want to see more, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. So now let's begin with number 6, or the first company for this video. This company right here is a little different from the other companies I talked about in this before. This right here is called Epic. Epic stands for Exceptional People, Incredible Compensation. Now, what is Epic? Epic is a platform that teaches people how to trade in the foreign exchange markets, Forex. I'm pretty sure you've heard about Forex, and I know that there's a lot of so-called gurus out there trying to teach Forex. They're trying to sell these courses, but I can promise you this is different. There are top-notch trainers, the best in the business, that will be teaching you how to trade and make money where you won't have to ever worry about anyone paying you a check again. This company right here will teach you a skill set that will ultimately set you financially free for life. I mean, you can get paid every single day, and with their copy and paste trades, you can literally get up and running and start making money the same day. But this is a lifelong skill set that can set you financially free. So if you look into the upper part and you click right here where it says company and scroll down, you'll see this guy right here. He's the founder of Epic and his name is David McCovey. I've done my research on David. David is a multi-millionaire. He's very knowledgeable when it comes to this industry. He has integrity. He has a heart for helping people, and that says a lot when it comes to this type of business. Like I mentioned, this is not gonna be for everybody, but I put it in my top 10 list because I wanted to give a lot of different options to choose from. This opportunity right here is one of the best out there. There's so many videos doing top 10 with the same old opportunities that I wanted to give you all something different. So for you to get started, I'll leave all the information since you can't just Google this website and sign up. It's by invite only, so I'll leave all the information for you all to get involved. Moving on to number 2, this is a company called Earnably. Now, Earnably is very similar to InstaGC and SuperPay. I put it in here because you need to sign up with all 3 of these sites. I'm actually a part of all 3. The reason why you need to do that is because you can make the most money if you do it that way, and there's actually a lot more sites like this, and I'll make sure I'll link you guys to those sites. There's really not much to say here about what to do because it's just like InstaGC and SuperPay. All you need to do is just sign up right here, fill out this information, confirm your email, and get to work. That's all you need to do. To maximize your money, you can do all these other different tasks to get paid, and you don't have to invite people, but if you want to grow your money to the max, that's what you need to do. But if you stick with me in this video, I got you covered on that. I got a website that will also show you how to invite thousands of people to this website and get you paid. You don't even have to know these people, so stick with me through the rest of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really love it if you guys tap the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and posted a comment down below. If we get 1,000 comments that say make money online on this video, we'll drop a crazy brand new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can make money just doing basic stuff like this. So comment make money online down below, and if you get 3,000 likes on this video, we'll drop a crazy brand new video that might be cooler than this. So comment make money online down below. Next week, we'll release a brand new video to show you how to make even more money online by completing simple tasks like this on your laptop. So let's get back to the video now. So number 3 is multiple income funnel. The name says it all. You can earn from multiple streams of income within this one website. All you have to do is follow the simple steps that they've laid out for you. What I really like about multiple income funnel is they would do 90% of the work for you, so all you have to do to start working with them and get paid is send traffic to their already pre-made websites. That's all you have to do, and the crazy thing is, they got you covered on that as well. So if you don't know how to get traffic to websites, all you have to do once you log into this back office is you're gonna click where it says step 2, and if you look right here, which is one of the income streams, this is where you order your traffic. You send traffic to the website and you can make great money. So you're gonna be making residual income with multiple income funnel. Also, this is just for one day. I worked on this one for one day a few weeks ago and I can make $880. Anybody can follow this simple program. So once you get started, that's what you're gonna see. Just follow the steps and you can see there's 4 steps there and they're pretty simple to follow. You set up your income stream so you can make money with the system itself, and that's the $880 you can make. Income number 2 is a company called Easy 1UP. Income number 3 is TextBot. Remember I talked about TextBot at the beginning of this previous video, the part 1. This website right here, remember I told you that I had a system for you to be able to make money with TextBot on autopilot. Well, multiple income funnel is the system that you can make money with. If you plug your TextBot inside this system, you're going to be able to make $100 over and over with TextBot, not counting the other income streams. So yeah. And number 4 is Traffic Authority. This is where you'll get the traffic to send to the funnel. You send it to the funnel and you'll be able to make money and all for these different income streams. This is an awesome opportunity and I hope you do get involved. I'll leave all the information like I said with the other opportunities to give you access to all this. Now we're gonna go over to number 4. So the next website, number 4, is called CPA Grip. CPA stands for cost per action. You will get paid for getting actions done like email submits, zip code submits, forms filled out and submitted, and that's all you have to do. Even videos watched, and this company will pay you $1 up to $2 per action. Now that may not sound like a lot of money, but I'm telling you, with the last website that I'm gonna share with you, it's gonna show you how to get thousands and thousands of actions done. But first, this website is completely free to join. Once you sign up and get accepted, log in. And this is my account here, and if you go over here to where it says Offer Tools, you can click here where it says My Offers, and these are all the different websites. And if you look right here, you can see the payouts. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click right here where it says Email Zip Submit. You can see the payouts over here, so it looks like the highest payout is like $2.57. So yeah, that can add up really fast, but you can go out there and you can post in Facebook groups. You can do all this different free marketing and get paid. You can make a couple $100s a day with this, and all you have to do to get your referral link is click right here, and that's gonna be your referral link. You can click right here where it says copy link, and bam, you got a referral link. So I'll close this out and go to the dashboard real quick, and if you look right here in this public chat box, you can see real time of how much members are making with this website. You can see right here, someone made $30, right here, over $28,000, $29, $2,000, $351, $10 right here. This right here is real time of people making money, and Also, you can come inside this chat if you sign up for this company. You get involved, so you'll look inside this chat, you'll learn a lot because people are posting updates for what's working and all that, so definitely sign up with CPA Grip. Okay, so moving on, let's go to number 5, or the 10th company that I'll introduce to you from the part 1 to this part 2 video. This website right here is called 15-second free leads. Now, this is the icing on the cake for a lot of these programs if you want to make money by inviting people to InstaGC, Earnably, and SuperPay. If you want to make money by referring people, which you don't have to do and is completely optional, this website right here will show you how to get thousands of people to sign up. And also, I forgot CPA Grip, so if you want to get email submit, zip submits, and all these different types of submits with that company, 15-second free leads is the way to go. This company will show you how to use one of the biggest social media sites out right now, which is TikTok. You'll be able to make TikToks and you don't even have to show your face on these TikTok videos if you're someone that doesn't like to do that. So you don't have to show your face and you'll be able to generate thousands and thousands and thousands of people to your website. I don't want you all to think that you have to go out there and refer people to make money with those companies, because you don't. Now, with CPA Grip, yeah, you do have to get people to submit emails and zip codes in order to make money, but with those other sites, you don't have to refer people. That's optional. I just wanted to give you the best possibility, so in order for you to make more money, you refer people. Those companies like to have new people on board, so if you go out there and you use TikTok, which this website is going to show you how you're going to be able to do that. There are people using this training and they're making a lot of money right now, but I want to say this right here. I want to throw out a disclaimer. You can make a lot of money with this training and you're gonna make a lot of money with this training if you follow exactly what they say. It's not hard, it's not complicated. A kid can do this. It's simple. TikTok is not hard at all, and that's just one of the trainings that they have. They have YouTube training, they have Facebook training. They have all these different training strategies that you can use to be able to make money in everything you touch. But I want to say this once again. This is optional. You don't have to use this. I just gave you a lot of different free ways to make money so you can get started with this training right here for just $1. Just $1. I know you have $1 to spend on this when you can make so much. You can make thousands of dollars, so that $1 can turn into thousands of dollars for you, but it's optional. You don't have to use it. Okay, so let me know in the comments what you're gonna do with this 10 incredible sites that you can earn money from without any experience. Are you going to use one of the 10 companies, or are you going to be using all of those incredible and amazing websites to earn thousands and thousands of dollars monthly? Let me know down in the comments section, and please watch the first part of this video if you didn't watch it already. Also, don't forget to check out our friend's new YouTube channel, Next Level Finance, where she discusses affiliate marketing, making money online, and work from home opportunities. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you take action. Don't let your mind control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. That's the end of this video. If you made it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is just like my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.